What's up guys, this is a cool game channel and the game is What the Heck. Check, this is area, this is battle, all these points it was battle here and we all of it we won, and now we reach extremely hard location like level 31. Oh, huge goblins are there down there. Phew, I don't know, we have to go arena and training little bit. Okay, let's go and upgrade our main warriors. Okay, this one, it's super goblin, like, whoo. Yes. Let's go, let's go show to this guy who is the king of the hill. Okay, tanks going. Okay, first, this super warrior going. Okay, this guy shoot us, no problem, but just like this. Okay, that super warrior running. Wow, but check, he spoiled this guy, he spoiled. No problem. Yes, just like that. My guy is stronger. Trust me. Yes, he spoiled him just like that. Ah, he's spoiling. Check. This guy dying. Okay, tank. I don't know. That. Okay, we need Armageddon. We need Armageddon. Oh yeah, we're winning. Yes, guys. Yes. That was battle. I don't know. That was battle. Okay, almost level 5 we reached, guys. Okay, sign up on my channel if you like the game like this. This is pretty interesting game as for me. Okay, my friends, amigas, and Druzia, let's one more battle pass. Maybe we have, wow, we can, that's not so huge warrior. Okay, 2000. Okay, let's go upgrade this one. This is let's fight. Let's fight. What? Oh, this is a huge. Wow, this is like whoa. We need Armageddon. Let's go. That guy's pulling. Ah, that guy. You see. Oh, that's. Ay. Too many archers. Wow. Too many archers there. I need Armageddon. What is this? Wow, too many archers there. Okay, tank. Come on. Wow, this guy. Wow, level number 3. How come? Ooh, we lost. Oh, no, guys. How come it was so far so good? No problem. You know, that's happened. How people like to say American. Yeah, that's happened. You know what? Okay, let's fight with this. Wow, that's okay, that's all these warriors very strong. I don't know. All these warriors very strong. Just like this. I put Armageddon on them. Check the tanks fighting. Ay. Okay, this guy. I think it's still we have a chance to win, guys. Okay, come on. Yes, we're winning now, guys. We're still winning. Okay, this is a spoiling. I don't know. This goblin spoiling everybody. This goblin's good. Foo 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 foo. Too many. Okay. Where is Armageddon? Armageddon. This guy is winning. I don't know. Okay. We need Archer. Archer we need. Okay, Archer coming. Armageddon close. No problem, guys. We will kill all of them. Yes, yes, yes. We're going ahead. Yes. Okay. Like a sea breeze, you know. We're going and going ahead now. No one can stop us. No one can stop us, guys. Check, 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 check. A lot of waters. Yes. This, yes, yes, yes. That's the win. Ooh. Cool, cool. Let's go fighting. I don't know, I don't know. Good, good. Almost level 5. Okay, let's battle. Let's check what we have here. This, see, enough energy. No yet, no yet. Okay, guys, the time X is came. Check. This is level number 34. Check this one. Check, this is huge tank. Like, whoo. And this goblin number level number 5. Whoo. If I have only level number 3, he have level number 5. Okay, okay, let's battle begin. I don't know, guys. Sign up on my channel if you like video like this, and put the like if we win. If we will win, sign up. Okay, I gonna spoil this goblin. Check this huge machine. Yeah, he start dying. Okay, no bad, no bad, no bad. Maybe we have a chance, guys. If we will win, sign up. Okay, yes, yes, that's the game. That's the game. Foo. But how come he using these goblins like by 2, 1, 2, 3, one by one, like a crazy? I don't know what is going on. You saw that, guys? Maybe next video will be. Put the like if you want to see how I win this goblin. In any way I will win this, guys. In any way. Yes, guys. Wow. Still, we're doing good. No, yes, for sure, we're doing good. Check. How these guys going? Check. That's my luck that I can spoil them. I don't know. Okay. Wow. Check this one. They still going. Maybe. We still have a chance. We still have, okay. We still have a chance. This goblin's coming and coming. But no way. I don't never give up. Guys, put the like if you see all these battles. This is a huge battle. Just check this stupid goblin. They coming and coming. With the drums. I don't know who. I am lucky that I have these small warriors with huge attack, no problem. We will win, yes, for sure, yes, we're winning, guys. That's most, epic battle, you ever see. Check, wow, yes, that's unbelievable, guys. Put the like and sign up on my channel if you saw that. Yes.
Ben?
How you like this video, Ben? Can you sign up on my channel, Ben?
No.
Can you put like for me, Ben?
No.